Hey everyone, Kevin from K-Tech Services, digitizing video. This is part 4 of the R. Okay, and we're pretty much wrapping it up here. So basically, we finished off the sat stitch of the R. Now we're just going to add the tack down stitch for the foam and do the caps. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically, it doesn't really, and I'm just W for walk, and then okay, so I'm going to do the walk stitch first. I'm going to start here on the walk stitch, and I want to start right here. And then I'm just going to kind of do this, really just to hold down the foam a little bit. Let's see here. I'm just going to go all the way around. Yeah, there we go. Like this better. Okay. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to, because this is going to be the first of the elements. So I kind of did all the nice running stitch of that. Now I am going to go around and start doing all the tie down stitches too. Okay, so I do usually do 25 for that stitch, and that'll kind of lock it in pretty well there. Oops, I didn't grab. Oh, yes, I did. Okay. So, all right, save that. All right. Now, granted, I need to, it's not the right spot, okay, but it helps me on top of the stitches to kind of figure out what I want to do. Now we're going to do the caps. So actually in a good area. So I'm going to do a column one. I just clicked on one, and then I'm just going to kind of do this. Okay. And that'll do a nice satin stitch. And the nice part about this is I can actually change this a little bit. That's going to be the start stitch there, but I want it to end. I want it, oops, see what I didn't grab the right. Okay. I want it to end there. I don't want it to end bottom. That's the beauty part about changing the end stitch. That's pretty good. I'm actually okay with that. Um, and then I'm going to do from there is I'm going to walk over to, well, I can actually, even though that I don't have to do this, I'm going to, no, well, I'm going to come over here and do this one next because we actually close off at the bottom, so we're okay. This one, I'm going to actually do a column one too, but I'm going to show you how I do this. So I'm going to do a nice satin stitch there. Now, of course, it's out of proportion right now, but I'm going to actually move that over there, and I'm going to move. I'm going to get my ends done right where I kind of want them. Okay, and then if I go on that line and it goes to underscore, it's telling me that I can lay a digitizing line on that. That's actually going to do some more points here, and then I can actually do that a little bit because it's more of a curve right here. So I'm just kind of doing this cap here, and that'll keep it where it doesn't separate those two ends. Because if you don't, they'll pull away, and then you're gonna see the color of the hat. That's why a lot of people will use caps, but it's all depending if you're going to do a close section or if you're going to have an open section. Okay, so that should actually do pretty good there, and you'll see that as we play this. Okay, and then I'm going to do, but I'm actually going to do another column one here, and I'm just going to go do this. It doesn't necessarily need this, but it's not going to hurt it. Okay. Okay, but then I'm actually going to move that up to here, and then I'm going to walk over to here and do another column one, and you know and then I'm going to do edit tool. When I keep on clicking is the edit tool, so then because you have to constantly change it, or if not you're going to be dragging stitches all over the place. Okay, and then I'm going to walk up to here, and do a column one and go really inside. Now, okay, I like that. That looks good. And I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to end here, do a column one, and I'm going to do nice big whole hunking column one. Okay, and that's good. I'm okay with that. Okay, so let's see. What are we at? Okay, so everything else is fine. I'm good. Those stitches are okay. If I want to put a cap there, I can actually, what I can do, I can change that. I'm going to go do a W. I'm going to actually walk down because I forgot to kind of do that. So all I have to do, and then just do a column one here. But I probably can get away with that. But it's not going to hurt to put something in there, and then I can edit it a little bit. And we're going to move that over there. And the bigger the stitches, the better if you can manage it. And that you can be pretty close because it's going to pooch out a little bit. So and since I forgot to do that, and then what I'm going to do here is going to do W for walk, and then I'm going to move up to this stitch here, because I added it. Let's see here. We get there, boom, boom, and then do that. I'm mocking up, and then the only thing is I have to change this start point, and that's it. Voila, easy peasy. Okay. All right, so now I got everything lined up good there for the tack down stitch for the foam and then all the caps. Now it's in the wrong order. Now we need to put that above it. Okay. Um, so what we need to do is we need to find out where. Okay, well, obviously all that starts right here. I'm gonna left click number 14 and then or yeah, and then hold the shift key down on my keyboard, select all, and then I'm gonna drag it all the way up to here because I want it to start first. And now it's gonna bury all that stuff. So we don't need that all trim. Let's save that. See what we got here. Okay, we have a problem, but we'll fix that. Okay, it has an auto trim for some reason, but we'll fix that. It starts off to does the walk to lock the foam, and then it walks down there to do that cap. Now I just pretty much leave those at 100%, and I don't deviate from that. Just they don't need to be heavy density or anything like that. They just need to be some nice satin stitches to lock in this, so you don't separate the two pieces. Okay, let's see here. Okay, did that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so I'm over here, and oh, it's at the cap. Okay, so that's the cap. So we're going to change. Oops. Okay, so undo. Okay, we need to fix this. Okay, so I'm going to move this up to here, which is fine. And then what I have to do, because of how I have this sewing order, I'm using the minus key. That's how you can scroll down there. And then I have to kind of walk down to here. And then I'm going to change this start point here. And it's all about connecting everything. So see, okay, there everything's all just kind of follow what I did there. Okay, so now we're done. Let's play this. Actually, what I want to do is I want to slow that down even more. I'm going to do it 5. So I want you guys to see this. Okay, so do nice wide to lock in the foam. Okay, and then I can let go of the foam, and now it's going to do all the caps. And now it's going to start stitching. Oh, hold on. I want to see that one more. Let's see. Did I do that right? Let's hold on. Let's see. Let's do that again. Okay. And it locks everything down. Oh, I missed the bottom here, but it did do it fine. Okay. There we go. Okay. All righty. Okay, good. I like that. That works good. And now it's good. So it doesn't, pull that away at all. Oh, this is looking good. This is looking really good. Okay, I love it. Done. Okay, good. All right, I like it. I like it. I'm just going to increase it probably to 8. I'm going to turn on the red now. So it's got both. Just make sure I save. Okay, and let's watch the whole thing stitch out here. We'll do 10. Okay, so it's doing the nice zigzag and walk stitch. This is the first color. You put the color, hold, and then on the MP16 or above, or a Maya for that matter. Let's see, and then look at that, beautiful. Okay, and everything like that. Beautiful. And then the hold, and then now the foam, and now it's done all the foam section. Oh, I'm loving this. This is good. This is good. And okay, okay, there you go. Okay, so the next part will be sewing it out. So thank you for your patience and going through all the parts. And I hope this really helps for you guys, and you can do your own. Thanks again. If you give me a thumbs up, I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.